Is there a way we can add a few seconds of life to a penguin? According to the studies about climate change and energy efficiency, human behavior can help a penguin live a little longer by using energy wisely. Researchers claim that global climate change will affect people and the environment in many ways. Some of these impacts, like stronger hurricanes and severe heat waves, could be life threatening. Others, like spreading weeds, will be less serious. And some effects, like longer growing seasons for crops, might even be good. However, as the earth keeps getting warmer, the negative effects are expected to outweigh the positive ones. On the other hand, some people that do not agree with this theory say that climate has changed before. It is not that bad. Temperature records are unreliable. Medieval warm period was warmer yet, etc. Pro climate change scientists say that climate is actually climate change is actually increasing. Studies show that greenhouse gas emissions have increased the greenhouse effect and caused Earth's surface temperature to rise. Generating electricity and heat by burning fossil fuels like coal, natural gas, and oil produces more emissions, greenhouse gases emissions than any human activity, accounting for at least 1/4 of all global emissions. Can this really affect the Earth's temperature? Earth temperature depends on the balance between energy entering and energy leaving the planet's system. When incoming energy from the sun is absorbed by the Earth system, Earth warms. When the sun's energy is reflected back into space, Earth avoids warming. When absorbed energy is released back into space, Earth cools. Many factors, both natural and human, can cause changes in Earth's energy balance. How do greenhouse gases cause the atmosphere to retain heat? Once energy is absorbed, the planet releases some of the energy back into the atmosphere as heat, also called infrared radiation. Greenhouse gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane absorb energy, slowing or preventing the loss of heat to space. In this way, greenhouse gases act like a blanket, like a shield that makes Earth warmer than it would otherwise be. This process is commonly known as the greenhouse effect. Now, on the other side, climate change scientists say CO2 is already saturated in Earth's atmosphere, and more CO2, man-made or natural, will have little impact on climate. As CO2 levels in the atmosphere rise, the amount of additional warming caused by the increased concentration becomes less and less pronounced. According to Senate testimony by William Happer, PhD professor of physics at Princeton University, additional increments of CO2 will cause relatively less direct warming because we already have so much CO2 in the atmosphere that it has blocked most of the infrared radiation that it can. The technical jargon for this is that the CO2 absorption band is nearly saturated at current CO2 levels. According to the Heartland Institute 2013 Non-Governmental International Panel on Climate Change report, it is likely rising atmospheric CO2 concentrations will have little impact on future climate. The benefits from energy efficiency can be many. Whether or not humans are causing the climate to change out of control, both sides agree that energy can be used more wisely to reduce pollution, save money, increase the level of comfort, better the economy, be more productive, and maybe not only humans, but penguins can live a little longer too. Thank you for watching. Bye.